This video will demonstrate how to modify your existing exam requests on SAS Link. Please keep in mind that by submitting modifications, it does not guarantee those changes will be made. Also, please be sure that you communicate with your instructor on the changes you are planning on making to your requests beforehand. First, you will log in to SAS Link and go over to Alternative Testing under My Accommodations. You will see a list of your upcoming exams. On the right-hand side of each request, you will see Modify Request and Cancel Request. There will be a separate video that will demonstrate on how to cancel a request. Find the exam that you need to make changes to and click on Modify Request. Scroll down to Exam Detail and make the modifications you need to make. In this example, we are going to change the date and time. Once you have made your modifications, you will be required to provide a reason for modifying your request. Please type your reason in the box. After you are done, click on Update Exam Request. If you return to Testing Overview, you can see the status of your request. Your status will now say Changes Pending Approval. You will wait for the ATC to approve the updated request. The ATC may reach out to you to propose alternatives to your modified exam request. If you need to cancel your modified request, scroll down and click on Cancel Pending Request. I hope this video helped with understanding how to modify your exam request on SAS Link. Please reach out to the ATC if you have any questions.